everyone, my name is Natalie and I'm here at the town of Walkerville. We thought that because you can't come to us these school holidays that we would come to you. So we are gathering some videos together of different activities and we'll send you a few a week and hopefully you can interact with us, do these activities at home. They're just simple materials and things, and we'd love to also see if you can take any photos of what you have made and put it in our comments, because we would love to see if you're getting involved at home. So today we're going to do some nature crafts. We're going to do a couple of crafts. The first one I'm going to make is a nature mandala, and the second one is a nature mobile. So I'll tell you a little bit about what we will be using and how to put it together, and then I'll show you down here how to put it together. Everything that we'll be doing here, you know, because you're at home and you might not have many materials, so you'll be able to get them from your house or your supermarket hopefully. So just simple things that you can do to keep yourself entertained. So I have got a few things from my garden down here. And when I went out for my exercise and my walk, I grabbed a few different nature materials. So you'll have all different things at home. And for a nature mandala, see if you can grab different colours and textures, different sizes and shapes. So I've got these beautiful blue violet flowers. I've got some little seeds and some yellow leaves, some native gum tree leaves, beautiful pink, yellow, red, and we're lucky because it's autumn, so some of you might have some beautiful autumn leaves and different trees around you that you can gather from. So I might get started. I tend to put something bright in the middle because you just start with one thing in the middle, and there's no rules with this. You can do it however you like. You can do it as big or as small. I'm doing it on cardboard, but you can do it on your lawn. It looks beautiful outside, and you can do it as easy or hard, as detailed or as simple, whatever you like. It's just a nice relaxing activity. So we've got a beautiful pink flower in the middle, and I will get these little leaves, and you kind of want to do even spacing. You don't have to, but it looks nicer. I'm doing a bit of a circle. And you can think up a special design before you do it, or sometimes just as you do it. You can also go online, get your parents to go online and Google nature mandalas. You'll get all sorts of ideas there, so that will help. So I've done my circle, I've done my middle bit. I'm going to put some seeds in between them. So if you use different colours and different shapes and sizes, it tends to stand out a little bit more. And I put it between all of them in a circle. And then I might do my little flowers. So it's whatever you can get your hands on. It doesn't matter what you've got. I'm sort of going around in a circle. You don't have to do a circle, you can do a square. And then I might do, where's my little ones here? So these are another size leaf. They are green as well, but that's okay because they're a bit different, so it makes it more interesting. We'd love to also hear if you've got some ideas of what you would like to see us do in our videos. Please let us know. We'd love any feedback. So you can just keep going around, all the way around with this. And let's have a look. What's the next thing? I'll finish that off in a second, but you can use some big leaves as well. And see that kind of shapes it a little bit. I have to fill in all my leaves. It doesn't have to be an equal amount or anything. It's just for fun. Might borrow some from over this side. I've got a few more. Your flower back. Okay, what other colour should I do? I might use some nice autumn leaves. You can keep going as big or as small as you like. Just move these a bit out of the way. What else am I going to do? Some little gum nuts. Tiny little ones. I think I've already said this, but you can glue it down if you like. I'm just going to leave it like this. And then where's my beautiful yellow? Some yellow leaves. I might do that in the middle, so you can space things out differently, and that also makes it look interesting. So I'm doing them in the middle of these red ones, see? And I might do some more of these big leaves. Keep the shape going. Have I got? These are really effective, these seeds. I just do one at the corner. Do some more beautiful flowers. And you can just, you can stop there if you like, or, we can keep going. What else have we got? Some red, sort of orange. It's very relaxing, nice and quiet activity. Gives you a break from watching TV. So we might leave it there, and I might show you the next activity. So I don't want to be too long for you. Let's have a look. All right, so remember we were going to do a nature mobile as well. For this you need any kind of stick. If you couldn't get any sticks, you could use leftover bits of wood. If mum or dad had a worn out wooden spoon, you could use that, but make sure you ask first. And that's where you're going to hang everything. Then you need some string. So we've got this twine. You could use cotton twine as well, which you can get from the supermarket. You could use any string, honestly, whatever you've got at home, because the whole point is, we need to stay at home. So if you've already got stuff at home, just use that. And when we're making our mobile, we probably want to have different lengths so it looks interesting. I've just cut one about this long. I collected a few different things. I've got some seed pods, and you can just tie a knot on one end. Or double knot it so it doesn't fall off. And then move that one out the way. You can tie the other end to your big stick. Double knot it as well. I'll just show you so you can see. That's our first one. So you might go, oh, that looks a bit long. You know, you might want to make it a bit shorter than that. I'm just going to roll it up instead of doing it again, but just to show you, it might look a bit better shorter. You can cut this stem. I've got another one here that I've done, same sort of seed pod. You can also use different leaves and use a hole puncher. You could do a hole in the leaf. I'm just tying it on. So I've got two on there. I'll do some more so you can see what it will look like. I've got another different type of seed pod. This one's really cool, and it rattles. It's like an instrument. You can get creative with all of these nature activities, and you could even make, you know, little critters with the leaves. You know, you can use these seeds for eyes. I've made different nature animals before, so you can do other activities as well. I just thought I'd show you a couple. Tied that one on. I think I might make that one a bit shorter. If it's mum's birthday and you can't get out the house, things like this, mums and dads, aunties and uncles, they really love getting presents from you guys. So you can make something for them. And Mother's Day is coming up as well. Oh, I really like this one. I've got a bunch of leaves as well. Do a couple more. And like I said earlier, please, if you're happy to take some photos of what you create, we would love to see what you're doing at home, what you're creating. Take a photo, put it in the comments of our Facebook post, and we can see all the amazing creations you've come up with. Double knotting it each time because it won't stay together otherwise. Got a whole bunch of different other seed pods. Isn't this one great? And that's where all these little seeds come from. They're inside these pods. Nature is amazing, isn't it? Tie this one on. Sometimes I make these mobiles with just single leaves and just leaves. It just depends on what you can get. You can use flowers. You might have a bunch of flowers that someone has got you, and you know, before they go in the bin, if they start dying, you can like cut different pieces off and use them, or you can press them in books as well to make cards. So many things you can do. Do one more of these and then we might leave it there. Make sure if you're cutting different things in your garden that you check with Mum and Dad first, in case it's a special favourite plant of theirs that they don't want cut. So just ask them what you can use in your garden. Where should we put that one? Let's have a look. Oh, it's getting very big. It's getting all tangled as well. There we go. And I'll put one over this end. Double knot. Nearly there. It's a bit fiddly. All right, done. So you can make this as big or as small as you like. I hope you guys have fun in your holidays and make lots of things, and tune in for our other videos. We've got other activities later in the week and next week as well. And please send us all your photos. I hope you have lots of fun. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. See you later.